Let me begin this video with a question. Are you working in banking, finance, or operations? Looking at the booming IT sector and wishing you could make a switch? But then the doubt creeps in. I don't know Python. I don't understand cloud architecture. I'm just a banker. Many brilliant professionals in banking, manufacturing, pharma, logistics stay stuck in stressful, stagnant roles because they believe the taboo that IT is only for engineers. Today, we are dismantling that myth entirely. I'm going to show you why your current domain experience make you the ultimate candidate for a high-paying career as an IT consultant or a business analyst without writing a single line of code. First of all, let me tackle the three biggest misconceptions holding you back. Myth number 1, I need to understand coding. Absolutely false. As an IT consultant or business analyst, your job isn't to build the software. Your job is to bridge the gaps between the business clients and the technical team. You translate business problems into functional requirements. Now, myth number 2, I need to know all IT standards. Again, a very wrong statement to make. You don't need to memorize technical frameworks. On day 1, you learn the project methodologies, whether it's agile, waterfall, whatever it is, as you move forward with the job. And myth number 3, I don't have a clarity on what consultants actually do. Think of it this way. When a banker wants to upgrade its mobile app or loan processing system, developers know how to write the software, but they don't know how a loan approval workflow actually functions. But you do. You are the mastermind who tells a tech team exactly what the system needs to do to serve the business. Your main asset is your existing functional and domain knowledge. Let's look at the entire reality of this IT industry. Technology changes every couple of years. Language comes and goes, but business logic, industry compliance, financial frameworks, those remain steady, and they require deep human experience to understand. Whether you have spent 3 years or 10 years in banking, you understand the customer behavior, risk assessment, fraud detection, and financial regulations. That knowledge is priceless to an IT firm building financial softwares. The tech skills can be taught in classrooms. They can hire a fresher, put it on a rigorous training, and then they can make coders, developers, testers, QA analysts or so. But your domain expertise can only be built in the real world. That's why IT companies actively hunt for functional experts. Let us talk about the elephant in the room, AI and automation. A lot of people are terrified nowadays of entering tech right now because they see AI writing code. And it's true. AI can replace basic developer, a coder, a quality analyst, a testers. But do you know what AI cannot replace? Yes, a domain specialist. AI simply cannot sit down with a corporate banking client, understand their unique operational pain points, and navigate their internal politics and design a customized business solution. It lacks context, empathy, and real-world functional experience. By positioning yourself as a domain-first consultant, you are entering a career stream that no AI or automation can touch you. You become irreplaceable. Yes, I'm telling you this because I have lived this journey for the past 20 years. I am at my core a domain first consultant, an ex-banker of course. I spent years in trenches and I have helped guided countless professionals through this exact transition. I've seen simple BCom graduates, BSc graduates, people who did not even know what a database was, turn their career around. They use their banking operational experience to become top tier IT consultants, earning incredible salaries. If they can do it, you can too. You don't need to have a tech background actually to change your life. You just need the right guidance to pivot your existing skills. I want to help you design the answers to your career queries and build a roadmap tailored just for you. Watch this space very closely because I'll be dropping practical guidance on how to format your resume, crack these IT interviews. If you want an in-depth video on specific topic, how to transition from retail banking or how to prepare for business analyst interview, drop a comment right now. I personally read every single comment. Your question might just be blueprint for my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this channel with your peer group. I'm sure some or the other way it will definitely help some of you to add some value into your career. Let's build your future-proof career together. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video very soon.